Hello and welcome again. In this lecture, we will discuss what is SAM. SAM is the coordinated activity of an organization to realize value from software assets. SAM is all of the infrastructure and processes necessary for the effective management, control, and protection of software assets throughout all phases of the life cycle. It's important to note that SAM is not just about a tool, rather, SAM is about the combination of people, process, and technology. The infrastructure and processes involved in reconciling software license entitlements to software license consumption and rectifying any overconsumption which may be identified in order to mitigate software audits by software publishers fall under the category software license compliance. The infrastructure and processes necessary for the effective management, control, and protection of software assets through all phases of their life cycle. These include software license management, SLM, but also other elements such as software configuration, maintenance, retirement, and others. All this adds up to form the software asset management or SAM programs. What technologies are impacting SAM? Technology developments. All business is going digital. All organizations are considering digital transformation of their services and processes. This includes remote workers, concurrent users, bigger data centers, and relying on SaaS and subscriptions instead of perpetual licenses. Increasing challenges to SAM, complicated licensing models and structures of the vendors. You can find multiple vendors within the same environment, different requirements and access rights of different users within the same organization. Not only that, you can find the same product from the same vendor but with different entitlements and licensing models. IT functions and SAM. Many IT functions are heavily dependent on SAM, like cybersecurity, IT service management, IT change management, IT disaster recovery, IT financial management, and others. Decentralization of the IT activity in the organization. This is due to the variety of roles of the different departments, business units, and employees. In the same time, the expansion and growth of the organization that they cover different geographical regions with different branches. Also, the procurement process, which is becoming decentralized as a result of several branches that the organization might have, remote workers, and dynamic environments of today. This led to individual purchases, unplanned purchases that may work counter compliance and sound SAM, that the organization may violate the vendor rights or buy unnecessary licenses that the IT department is not aware of it or its entitlements. Why is SAM important? A common misperception is that SAM is used to mitigate the risk of audits, but implementing an effective SAM has multiple critical benefits for the organization. From information security to financial management needs, detailed information are needed about hardware and software assets during their whole life cycle. Thus, SAM enables a general overview of the performance of licenses in the organization, not only technical but financial as well. SAM ensures proper planning around software purchasing and contract negotiation, thus eliminates sudden unplanned purchases, and negotiating contracts with the vendors happens from a position of power. Organizations can avoid legal and financial and reputational risks and can mitigate security risks due to unauthorized software and blacklisted vendors, especially that unauthorized software and blacklisted vendors can be a gate for cybersecurity risks. What SAM covers? SAM encompasses the management of all software used by the organization, regardless of where the software is located, even in a remote geographic location, e.g., a branch away from the company headquarters. What the software is located on, it doesn't matter whether it's on desktop, laptop, mobile, on a server, in the data center, or even on the cloud. Who owns the hardware and software, whether owned by headquarter, branch, subsidiary, or specific department? All this can be included in SAM. It doesn't matter what the license structure is. Different models of licenses for the same vendor or multiple vendors can be managed. SAM is about managing people, processes, and technology. Modern SAM tools can automate up to 80% of the work needed to monitor and control licenses. Yet, integrating with people and with running processes is essential for the success of SAM. Where does SAM fit? This figure is showing where SAM is located from the ITAM domain, or the IT Asset Management domain, and what falls under SAM. As it's clear that IT Asset Management is the big umbrella encompassing SAM and its components, so SAM is a subset of ITAM, and in the following slides we will discuss the definitions of the components of SAM. IT Asset Management, also known as ITAM, is the process of ensuring an organization's assets are accounted for, deployed, maintained, upgraded, and disposed of when the time comes. Defined simply, an IT asset includes hardware, software systems, or information and organization values. Software Asset Management, SAM, is a business practice that involves managing and optimizing the purchase, deployment, maintenance, utilization, and disposal of software applications within an organization. Software License Management, SLM, refers to the process and tools your business uses to control and document the software products your business uses and where and how they are used. SLM, or Software License Management, is essential to ensure your business compliance with every relevant enterprise license and end-user agreement. Software license compliance. Software license compliance means only using a software in accordance with the software developer's conditions of use. And these were the main definitions of the components of SAM, and we will refer to those components repeatedly during this course. Thank you for following, and see you next lecture.